Hello everyone, in this video we have to find the value of x if 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power 2 minus x equals to 17 by 2. Solution will be, here we have been given that 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power 2 minus x equals to 17 by 2. This equals to 2 to the power x plus, now by exponential rule we know that a to the power m by a to the power n equals to a to the power m minus n. So we can write this as 2 square by 2 to the power x equals to 17 by 2. Now taking 2 to the power x equals to a, we can write the above equation as a plus 2 square by a equals to 17 by 2. Now denominator of this a is 1, so LCM of 1 and a is a. 1 will divide a times, so a times a will be a square, plus this a will divide this a 1 times, so 1 times 2 square will be 2 square, equals to 17 by 2. This equals to a square plus 2 square will be 4 by a equals to 17 by 2. Now by cross multiplying we get 2 times a square plus 4 equals to 17 times a. This equals to 2 times a square will be 2 a square plus 2 times 4 will be 8 equals to 17 times a will be 17a. Now transposing 17a to left hand side, we can write this equation as 2a square minus 17a plus 8 equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. To solve this quadratic equation, we will factorize the quadratic equation by splitting the middle term. Now 2 times 8 is 16 and minus 1 times minus 16 equals to 16 and minus 1 plus minus 16 equals to minus 17. So minus 17a can be written as minus a minus 16a. So we can write this equation as 2a square minus a minus 16a plus 8 equals to 0. Now in these two terms common factor is a, so taking out common factor from these two terms we can write this as a times 2a minus 1. Now here also in these two terms common factor is minus 8, so taking out common factor from these two terms we can write this as minus 8 times 2a minus 1 equals to 0. Now in these two terms common factor is 2a minus 1, 2a minus 1. So taking out common factor from these two terms we can write this as 2a minus 1 times a minus 8 equals to 0. This implies that either 2a minus 1 is 0 or a minus 8 equals to 0. So we can write 2a minus 1 equals to 0 or a minus 8 equals to 0. From here 2a equals to 1 or from here a equals to 8. From here a equals to 1 by 2 or from here a equals to, we can write 8 as 2 cube. Now we have taken 2 to the power x as a, so we can write this as 2 to the power x equals to 1 by 2 can be written as 2 to the power minus 1, or here also we can write 2 to the power x equals to 2 cube. Now here since base are equal, therefore x equals to minus 1, or here also since base are equal, x equals to 3. Therefore x equals to minus 1 or 3. This is our solution.